Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Inspiring Charm, providing inspiration one video at a time.
Hey guys, I want to say a big shout out to my subscriber, Ree Mahadio, who in my first video had requested for me to do a baked fish. So girl, I got you. This is for you. First, I am going to be making a marinade for my salmon, and I'm going to be balsamic vinegar, a quarter cup of balsamic vinegar. So to this, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of honey. On your salmon, you're going to put salt, pepper, whatever other seasoning you want, but you don't have to over season it. So that's 1, 2. And then you're going to mix this thoroughly. You mix it thoroughly until everything combines. But guess what? You will notice that you have like a chemical reaction taking place here because of the oil and the vinegar. So to this, I am going to be adding my salmon. To this, my salmon. Remember I told you you can put whatever seasoning you like on your salmon. Season to your taste. Let me get my gloves. Back. So now you're gonna toss that into the marinade. And you're gonna let it sit in for say an hour or so. I'm gonna cover this. I'm gonna cover this and let it sit for 1 hour. Then I'm gonna come back and bake up this bad boy for you.
So, guys, while my salmon is being marinated, I decided that I will be serving with this some squash, or what you call pumpkin. So, what I've done, I've split my squash down lengthwise, and I've taken out the seeds with a spoon, and I've washed and scrubbed that thoroughly because I'm going to be preparing it in the skin. After washing my squash to my liking, what I did, I went in with a fork and I pierced some holes in my pumpkin so that when it goes into the oven, it will soak and it will cook much faster. I then went in and I cut them lengthwise into strips or slices, and you will see where all of them are like equal. Yes. I eat with my eyes. Guys, remember, if you like what I'm doing here and if you want me to share more of my ideas with you, remember to like, subscribe, and leave me your comments below. I know. Return my cut pieces back to my bowl, and to that I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and a teaspoon of salt. I will then toss that to ensure that everything is evenly coated, and you want it to be done properly so that it will not stick to the pan. On a lime sheet, baking sheet, you'll place your pumpkin or squash slices in a single file, leaving enough space so that if you're going to be turning them, or and and also to prevent them from not sticking to each other. I will then add this to my oven at 350 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes.
My salmon is now well marinated, and I am going to put it in this baking tin. Look at that. So it's good. I'm gonna put it in this baking tin. I don't need a bigger baking tray, so I choose to use this one, and I'm gonna bake it for about 25 minutes in the oven at 350 degrees. So the rest of this mixture, I'm gonna keep it. When my salmon is halfway through, I'm gonna baste it with it. Okay, I'm gonna check on my salmon. Wow, nice. Almost ready. So I'm gonna baste it now with some more of this sauce, and I'm gonna let it do 5 more minutes. While I'm there, let me just check on my pumpkins to see. Oh, coming on nicely. Yep, good. So my salmon is all done. Baked salmon for you, and my sorry, and my baked pumpkins. Ooh, so let me just show you. Look how soft they are. Look. Ooh, you thought just go straight through that. Ooh, so nice. There you have it. Ooh, guys, if you like this meal, you can share it. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of it. So I have baked salmon, and I did some steamed
Baked
broccoli.
squash.
I eat with my eyes. I love colorful plates. Please let me know what you think of this meal. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Bye for now, guys.
You know it's your girl Inspiring Charm. Thank you for checking out my videos. Please check back every Tuesday and Fridays for my new upload.